Are you using participle adjectives correctly? Is it clear when you should use interested and when you should use interesting? Hello and welcome everyone, this is Minoo at Anglo-Link. I have noticed that many of you are still confusing the ed and ing adjectives. So in this short lesson, we're going to look at their usage again. You can watch my complete lesson on adjectives and adverbs here. To access the PDF version of this lesson, please use the link in the description box to join Anglo-Link's PDF library. Okay, let's start by looking at what a participle adjective is. A participle adjective, also called participial adjective, is an adjective from a verb root. For example, the verb to interest has two participle adjectives, present participle, interesting, and past participle, interested. Okay, let's look at usage now. Let's say that the sentence is history interests me. History is the subject. History is generating interest in me. So we should use the present participle. History is interesting. Me is the object. The action is affecting me. So now we should use the past participle. I am interested in history. The most common mistake I hear is using present participle, interesting, instead of past participle, and saying something like, I'm interested in history. That's maybe because you think you're using the present continuous tense, so be careful with this. So let's look at two more examples. First example, John intrigues everyone. So here, both the subject and the object are people, John and everyone. So let's see what you would choose for the two sentences below. John is, and everyone is, by John. John is the subject, so John is intriguing, and everyone is the object, so everyone is intrigued by John. So for John, which is the subject, we use the present participle, intriguing, and for everyone, which is the object, we use the past participle, intrigued. Let's look at the second example. This situation upsets her. So this situation is, and she is about the situation. Which adjective would you put in each sentence? The situation is the subject, so it is upsetting, and she has been affected by the situation, so she is upset about the situation. So for the situation, which is the subject, we use the present participle, upsetting, and for her, who is being affected, who is the object of the sentence, we use the past participle, upset. Now remember that upset is an irregular verb, so it's upset, upset, upset. Right, that's the end of this short lesson. For lessons and exercises on all topics, please visit my website anglolink.com. And remember to subscribe and allow notifications to know when my next lesson is online. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next lesson. Goodbye for now.